Alright, so we've played a little bit. It's time to put our instrument away for the day. If you're at school with the school bass, easiest thing to do is going to be put that end pin up and put it back on the rack. However, I'm going to show you today how to put your bass back in the case, because you might have to do that occasionally. So we're going to do everything in reverse. We're going to put that bass down on the ground, just like we had it earlier when we extended the end pin. We're going to loosen up that screw, go to the left, gently push in that end pin, and tighten that screw back up. We want to make sure that we don't lose our end pin, so we'll make sure that that screw is ready tightened up. Then we're going to look for that case, pull that case back in, and at this point it's easiest to stand up and put this away. So I'm going to pick my bass back up, bring that case in, and I'm going to take a look at my case, and I'm going to make sure that I have the front of the bass lined up with the front of the case. And I'll know that because I'll see my little pocket for my end pin stopper, I'll see my bow pocket especially. We want to make sure that the bow stays in the front of the case. So with my hand on the neck and my hand on the case, I'm going to let gravity help me out here and flop that right over the scroll. And then I need to do some adjustment here. I need to make sure that the case kind of makes its way around the front of the instrument and around the back of the instrument. And I'm going to start with the big zipper. I'm going to bring it down, still holding onto the case, bring it all the way down, and then I want to lay it down on the ground because we still have that little zipper on the bottom that we need to adjust. So I've pulled my top zipper all the way to the end pin. I'm going to pull my bottom zipper up to the end pin. We want to make sure we don't pull those zippers over the end pin. That makes it really tricky to get your instrument in and out. And then I have a couple things I still need to add to this case before I'm ready to go. My end pin stopper needs to find its way back to the pocket, as does my bow. So I'll slide that bow back in, tip first, into the case, and then pick that case back up. Now you notice as I picked it up, I used the handle that's on the side. Different cases will have different handles in different places, but in this particular case we have a handle on the side and we have a handle on the front. So to securely carry your instrument, you can grab that handle, put the neck of the instrument on your shoulder, and grab the other handle, and off you go.